Assalamu alaikum. Lesson 38, Overview of the Criticisms on Battles. For 13 years, the Prophet ﷺ peacefully preached Islam in Mecca. In response, the Meccans opposed him and caused severe hardships for Muslims. After that, battles with mushriks took place, like Badr Uhud, because even after migrating to Medina, the mushriks continued attacking Muslims. Battles with Jews took place because of their conspiracies in Medina. Battles with Christians took place to suppress the threat from the Romans. Purpose of these battles was not to get wealth or power, but to remove the obstacles against Islam. These battles were conducted with high moral standards. History talks about many revolutions that consumed millions of lives. Compared to them, only around 1,000 people lost their lives in Prophet's battles. More important are the results. The opposition by enemies ended, Islam spread throughout Arabia, and the whole region became peaceful and stable.